Good morning girls. Today we will see type of functions. First one-to-one function, second many-to-one function, third one on-to function, fourth one into function. So we will learn one-to-one function by an example. Take the first set A, write down the subjects Tamil, English, Maths, Science, Social. Take the second set B, write the scholars' names. Shakespeare, Shakuntala Devi, Akbar, Thiruvalluvar, C.V. Raman, Indira Gandhi. So these elements in the first set A are called pre-images. These elements, scholars, in the second set are called images. We will connect Tamil with scholar Thiruvalluvar, English, Shakespeare, Maths, Shakuntala Devi, Science, C.V. Raman, Social Science, Akbar. So here for distinct pre-image we have distinct image. Distinct elements of A have distinct images in B. So that is one-to-one function. So one-to-one function definition is distinct elements of A have distinct images in B. For every pre-image there is only one image, that is one-to-one function. Second one is many-to-one function. We will take one more example, many-to-one function. We will name the months in the first set A. Name number of days in the month we will take in B. January, February, March, April, May, June. So up to 6 months we have taken. We have taken the days 28, 29, 30, 31. Now we will connect. January, how many days are there? 31 days. And February, how many days are there? 28. March, 31. May, 31. April, 30 days. June, 30 days. That means, what is many-to-one? Two or more elements of A has same images in B. So you learn the definition for many-to-one. Two or more elements of A has same images in B. So two or more elements is January, March, May. So three elements in A has same image 31. If it is like this, then it is called as many-to-one function. Next we will go to on-to function. On-to function definition is range is equal to codomain. Already I have studied what is range and what is codomain. Suppose I have example like this. A range means arrow marks from the second set. So P, Q. Codomain means all the elements from the second set. Same elements we are getting. Here range and codomain are equal. If range and codomain are equal, it is an onto function. Next is into function. If range is the subset of codomain, here this is read as subset. That means more elements in codomain from the few elements in range. Take example, elements of A are 1, 2, 3, 4. Elements of B are A, B, C, D, E, F. So we have, what is the range here? A, B, C, D, because only arrow lines for only these four elements. So range is equal to A, B, C, D. What is codomain? All the elements from B, A, B, C, D, E, F. Here, range is a subset of codomain. A, B, C, D are present here, but more elements in codomain. From this, only less elements in range. When range is the subset of codomain, then this function is called into function. F is, here we can say F is one-to-one into function. One-to-one into function means distinct elements in A have distinct images in B. One-to-one into function, the other name is injection. Injection. So single word, injection. Injection meaning one-to-one at the same time into function. So here Note 1. If f is a function from a to b is both 1 to 1 and on to, then it is bijection. If the function is 1 to 1 and also on to, single word for that is bijection. If the function is both 1 to 1 and into, then it is injection. We'll go to the next side heading, horizontal line test. Previous class you have learnt vertical line test. Why we are using vertical line test? Whether the given graph is function or not, we must draw the vertical line. Here horizontal line test to check the given function is 1 to 1. So here x-axis, y-axis and straight line is given. Draw the dotted line, horizontal dotted line touches the curve. We say the straight line is curve, touches the curve at only one point. If the horizontal dotted line touches the curve means here straight line touches at only one point, this is 1 to 1 function. Come to the second question, x-axis, y-axis, this is the curve given. So to check whether this curve represents a 1 to 1 function, draw the dotted line, horizontal dotted line. Here the dotted line touches the curve at 3 points P, Q, R. Therefore, this is not a 1 to 1 function. Come to the third one. Here x-axis, y-axis given. This is a curve given. Draw the dotted line. You can draw the dotted line here or here. Anywhere you can draw the dotted line. I have drawn the dotted line which touches the curve at only one point. Therefore, this represents a function. So, we will read horizontal line test. If every horizontal line intersects the curve at most one point, then the curve represents a 1 to 1 function. If every horizontal line intersects the curve at most one point, then the curve represents a 1 to 1 function. So 1 and 3 represents 1 to 1 function as the horizontal line intersects the curve at most one point P. Figure 2 does not represent 1 to 1 function as the horizontal line intersects the curve at 3 points P, Q, R.